I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself locked out of your Magento account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Access the admin panel. Log into your Magento admin panel. If you can't access it, you may need to use a different method to reset your password. Step 2. Use the password reset link. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check spam folder. If you don't receive the password reset email, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these emails can be filtered out. Step 4. Reset password via database. If the email method doesn't work, you can reset your password directly in the database. Access your database using phpMyAdmin. Find the admin user table and update the password field with a new hashed password. Step 5. Clear cache. After resetting your password, clear the Magento cache to ensure the changes take effect. You can do this from the admin panel or by manually deleting cache files from the var/cache directory. I hope this helps you get back into your account quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.